Hi friends, it's Miss Kathy here. I have a book I want to share with you. This book is called Home is Where the Birds Sing, and it's written by Cynthia Rylant, but the pictures are by Katie Harnett. The pictures are really important. You ready? Let's go. Can you see everybody? Home is where you come in from the rain. Got on their rain things, don't they? And where you have a little nap after a bite. They had a picnic outside. They're napping. It is where you are welcome. Home is where someone calls you sweetie or dear or a dozen other names for love. I think that's a grandma thing. It is where you wake up and look at pictures on the wall and where you have blankets. Can you see the pictures right there? Home is where you freshen up or hide if you don't want to freshen up. It is where your friends can find you. These must be apartments, because see all of the doors? Home is where there are stories to tell and stories to hear. It is where your own story starts. It's a little baby. Home is where the birds sing. Look at all of these birds. Look at that. And where the moon shines on you at night. It is where you will run if you ever need to run, and where you will find the door wide open. It waits for you. And when you come back from anywhere, it is where you will feel at home. Because you are. And that is the end. I hope you have a good day, friends. Bye.